In a small village, there lived a boy that no one believed in. People laughed at him and told him again and again that he would never become anything in life. He was not rich, he was not the smartest, but he had one powerful thing, a dream. Every morning he worked hard, and every night, even when he was tired, he studied and reminded himself why he started. Life was not easy for him. He failed many times, doors closed, and people doubted him. Sometimes he even doubted himself. But one day he made a strong decision. If he gave up today, his future would remain the same. So he kept moving forward, step by step, day by day. While others rested, he worked. While others complained, he learned. Over time, he understood one important truth. Success is not about luck, it is about consistency. And then, one day, everything changed. The same people who once said he was nothing stood in silence and asked him how he did it. He smiled and replied that he believed in himself when no one else did. Remember this, believe in yourself. Your hard work today will become your strength tomorrow. Never stop, because your journey has just begun.